Golden sunrise over a dense tropical forest. Mist rising between trees, birds chirping softly. Cinematic wildlife establishing shot. Ultra-realistic jungle sunrise. Golden light rays. Fog. Cinematic wide shot. Nature documentary style. Colorful birds flying between branches. Insects buzzing. Peaceful ecosystem in motion. Tropical rainforest canopy. Exotic birds in flight, vibrant colors, ultra-detailed wildlife scene. A small bird perched on a branch, watching the forest floor with sharp focus. Close-up bird on branch, intense eyes, shallow depth of field, cinematic lighting. A venomous snake slowly moves through dry leaves, barely visible, camouflaged. Venomous snake in jungle floor. Stealth movement, leaves rustling, dramatic shadows. The bird notices movement below, tilting its head, alert and tense. Bird staring downward, focused expression, suspense mood, soft jungle light. Close-up of snake raising its head, tongue flicking, venomous fangs visible. Cobra or viper rearing up, aggressive posture, cinematic close-up high detail scales. Bird and snake lock eyes. Forest goes still, tension escalates. Bird versus snake face off, dramatic framing, high contrast lighting, intense atmosphere. Snake lunges suddenly toward the bird. Motion blur snake attack, fast strike, dramatic action freeze frame. Instead of fleeing, the bird dives aggressively toward the snake. Bird mid-air attack, wings spread wide, dramatic action shot. Bird pecks and strikes rapidly, snake coils defensively. Airborne struggle, bird attacking snake, dynamic motion, cinematic wildlife chaos. Venomous snake attempts a counterattack. Tension peaks. Snake striking upward, bird narrowly dodging. Extreme tension moment. Bird lands a precise hit on the snake's head, weakening it. Bird attacking snake head, decisive moment, sharp focus, dramatic lighting. Snake loses strength, movement slows, forest stills again. Weak snake in leaves, fading motion. Cinematic slow downfall, bird flies away into sunset sky. Forest returns to peace. Ill bird flying into sunset. Orange sky. Wide cinematic shot, peaceful ending.